Hi guys, so this is my quick update on GU guys. What are we expecting on GU? I'll just do a quick recap on GU. If you watched my previous analysis on GU, I think we were around this area right here, and I said there's a possibility for GU to push to the downside to around my 50% fib level, and the reason was because we can see that that was where this break of structure was with this engulfing candle right here. So it just made sense for us to retest run around there before we continue to push to the upside. And you can see that this was my first TP 1.27606, and my second TP is 1.28017 right here. So that was my thought, and we can see that we came down here. Yeah, we did not actually really touch my 50% fib level. We rejected around 38.2% fib level right here, then continue to push to the upside. Right here we can see we pushed down. Let me use another color. We pushed down right here, went up to get to my first target, then pushed down again, rejected around 23.6% fib level before we continue to push up to 27% fib level, which is around my first target. And we can see that we're having like some sort of this ranging stuff right here. So now what am I expecting on GU? Let me delete this one right here. So as you can see that we got to this be right here, there's still a possibility for us to actually continue to push to the upside, guys. So just like I mentioned in my previous analysis, that as long as we are still above this trend line right here, above the trend line, then we should be expecting a buy. For us to actually sell on GU, right, I would prefer it at least pushing down, breaking structure right here, giving us a lower high for a retest for us to continue to tank to the downside, or for us to actually push down a little bit, come up to my 61.8% fib level to touch this trend line, then continue to tank to the downside. So that would be like my both possibility for a sell. We can see that if I zoom in a little bit, we're injecting around this trend line right here, so a possibility of it coming to the trend line to give us a possible touch for us to continue to tank to the downside. Or like I said, if we don't get to this point, at least let us break this trend line, let's give us break of structure, retest, and continue to push to the downside. So that is the only time I am more towards of a sell, guys, on GU. So I'm just gonna delete that one. Let me just go to a bigger time frame just to look at the overall picture and see if anything has changes. So we can see that even in a bigger time frame, like we are still around this area right here. So we have no certain, it's not really certain what next, because I'm not seeing any good momentum of buy or any good momentum of sell right now. So I just think even in a bigger time frame, we have to be patient to look for more confluences for us to know our next move. So daily time frame, we can see. So even if you're selling on GU, right, we can see an impulse, a correction, then it's sort of a continuation to push to the downside. I see that as well on a bigger time frame based on this trend line that we have right there. Yeah, but like I said, we need to see more confluence for us to know our next move, guys. So if I use a smart fib for a sell right here from here to here, that still makes sense. But let's just go to a bigger time frame and see. I see it also selling, guys, on a bigger time frame like I mentioned. But let's just see how that plays out. For us to actually sell, just like I mentioned, I think I prefer it to at least break structure for us to confirm or sell, because we might just come up here, right, to retest around 61.8% fib level like I mentioned, to give us some sort of like a hem pattern. We can see and impose a correction, a continuation to the upside to give us this kind of this double top right here, double top and pattern right here, for us to continue to tank to the downside based on the bigger time frame outlook. So that is what I'm seeing right now. Let's go to see if I can see any imbalances right around here. I'm not seeing anything yet. We can even see right that it's giving us we can see right here a higher low, a higher low. We have a we can call this a W pattern right here too. So to be honest, I'm just seeing more of a buy right now. That is why I said yes, it can actually sell, but we need confirmation for sell before we sell on the XY, guys. We genuinely need confirmation for sell. So now we might still, my thoughts right now is we can see that there's still a possibility for it to come down here, right, then continue to tank to the upside. So we can see 17. So that is what I am seeing to get to my TP right here, which is 1.28017. So that's what we are seeing. But like I said, I'm just gonna put in case if we actually sell, guys, I want some sort of a breakout structure, if we test a lower high, then this will be a possible target right here. My possible target for that to be around here. We can see 9, 6. So let's change the color of that. So if we are selling on the XY on GU, guys, if we see sell, like I said, I want some breakout structure, and this would be a possible target for sale, but I'm more biased towards a buy on GU. So that is my quick thoughts on GU, guys. Hope you find it helpful, guys. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, because it really help my channel. And I will see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to use proper risk management, guys. And always remember that you don't predict the market, you react to the market. The market does what it wants to do. You react to the market based on what it's doing. So that is just a quick note that I used to say most of the time on my analysis. So don't be fixated by what you see right now. Be open-minded and don't be narrow-minded. So that is my thoughts on the XY on GU, guys. Hope you find it great and helpful and insightful. And if you do, please comment down, subscribe if you're new, if you're just seeing my videos, and I will see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.